What if I told you this haunting masterpiece was born from the mind of a man consumed by darkness? Painted on the walls of his own home, Francisco Goya's Saturn Devouring His Son wasn't meant for public eyes, and its backstory is far more terrifying than the image itself. Art, beautiful, inspiring, timeless, but beneath the surface, some masterpieces hide disturbing truths. Today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal the dark histories behind some of the world's most celebrated paintings. These aren't just works of art, they're silent witnesses to tragedy, madness, and horror. We admire these paintings for their artistic brilliance, but do we truly understand them? History has a way of glossing over inconvenient truths, turning tragedies into tales of heroism or genius. Yet behind each brushstroke lies a story, a reflection of societal chaos, personal turmoil, or even scandal. Take the Raft of the Medusa, for example. At first glance, it's a dramatic depiction of survival at sea. But the reality? It immortalizes the aftermath of a shipwreck caused by government incompetence, where survivors resorted to cannibalism. And Edvard Munch's The Scream? Not merely an expression of anxiety, it's the echo of Munch's own struggle with mental illness, set against the backdrop of his sister's institutionalization. These paintings don't just capture moments, they expose society's darkest chapters. Géricault interviewed survivors and studied corpses to create the Raft of the Medusa, forcing viewers to confront the consequences of political failure. Munch's distorted sky wasn't just artistic imagination, it was inspired by the volcanic eruption of Krakatoa, which turned sunsets blood red worldwide. And then there's Goya. In his later years, deaf and disillusioned by war, he retreated into his villa and covered its walls with nightmarish visions, none more horrifying than Saturn devouring his son. This wasn't merely a mythological scene. It was a reflection of Goya's fear of humanity's self-destruction, a god driven mad, devouring his own child to prevent his downfall. Imagine walking through Goya's home and seeing this monstrous image glaring back at you. No title, no explanation, just raw horror painted on his dining room wall. This wasn't meant for public admiration. It was Goya's private nightmare, a mirror to his despair and rage. Knowing this, can you ever look at this painting the same way again? Art isn't just beauty on canvas. It's a reflection of the human experience in all its glory and darkness. From political scandal to personal madness, these masterpieces capture truths that are unsettling yet deeply human. They force us to confront the shadows lurking behind the brushstrokes. What do you think? Do these stories change how you see these paintings? Let us know in the comments. And if you're fascinated by the hidden histories of art, check out our other videos exploring the secrets behind iconic masterpieces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.